Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how to connect Firebase from MIT App Inventor app. So in this video, we will create simple app where we will send the data to Firebase from our on MIT App Inventor app. Okay, so here we go. We need to click on Start New Project, and that app name is Firebase Firebase app. Simple. Click on OK. So that's the screen here. Now I'm going to drag and drop one simple text box here like this and drag and drop one button. Okay, click on the text box and make this one with this fill parent, and click on the button and make this one with this fill parent, and change this button text to send data. Okay, fine, and click on the text box and change this in text box to data. Fine. Now we need to drag and drop one Firebase here. So you will find it in the experimental. You will see experimental in the left side, and you will see Firebase TV. Just drag and drop this. This one is non-visible component. Okay. And now open new tab here and just type here Firebase. Okay. And you will find here firebase.google.com. Just click on this. Now you have to log in into your Google account, okay, and then you will see the go to console option. So just click on it, and you can click on the start new project also. Now you will see here add projects. So I'm going to click on the add project, and here I have to enter my project name, and that one is App Inventor 777, and just click on continue, and then click on continue, and you need to select the account. That one is connected with my analytics, so if you're not able to find it, so you just need to click on the create project. Simple. You don't need to worry about any other options. Just next and create project. Simple. Okay, now click on continue, and you will see here this one dashboard. Now we need to click on database. You will see in the left side database. Just click on it and wait some seconds, and you will find some data here. Okay, just click on the create database and just click on next, then click on done. Simple. You don't need to do nothing. Okay, sometimes it takes time to load. Okay, so please wait for it. Fine. Now we need to click on and just select the real-time database. Okay, and now click on the rules. Now we need to make this false to true. Okay, just type here true, and again we need to type here true like this, and just click on dismiss, and rules click. You will see publish option. Click on publish. Fine. Now go to the database and copy this URL. Just copy. You will see here. Click on it and just copy this URL. Okay. You will see here there is nothing right now. Go to the MIT App Inventor app. Click on Firebase, and you will see here Firebase URL. Just remove this default option and paste your URL here. Your URL is this one. Okay. Fine. Now we need to code for this button to send data. Just go to the block section. Okay, and click on button 1, and whenever someone click on the button 1, so we have to store our text box 1 data to Firebase. So click on Firebase DB, and you will find here a store value. Okay, you store value. Just drag and drop this one and click on the text drag and drop here one text and type here simple hello. That's our tag. You can define the global tag, or you can define other tag, like you can define one numeric value, okay, and you can increase this value as a tag. And which value we have to store in this tag? Text box 1 text value, text box 1 dot text, that one. Fine, we already have run this app, so go to the here and just refresh this app campaign, okay, and you will see here data. Just type here something, this is app, something like this, disappear something like this. Now click on send data and go to the database, and you will see your Firebase app. Just click on plus sign, you will see a tag, that one is hello and that one is something tag. And I'm going to type here another tag, suppose this is other tag, okay, but this will replace this text. You will see here this is other tag, okay. So if you want to add more tags randomly, so you have to put and you have to create global variable for the tag. So let's create multiple tags. It means dynamic tag and the value, okay. So what we will do, we need to initialize one global variable here. Click on variable and initialize global variable and remove this name to something tag value, okay. And we have to assign the value here. Click on max and just drag and drop this 0 and just okay. Now we need to use here one more thing, that one is click on maps and you will see here plus option. Just drag and drop this one and click on tag value and just get tag global value. Remove this hello because that one is static and that one is dynamic value. Now this will store the tag is 0 and the value is text box 1 dot text value. Now we have to increase the tag value because we have to store multiple values here. Now we need to click on just here set global value, tag value, like this, and drag and drop this max function and copy this 0 to paste here and change this value to 1, and we have to get tag value, current tag value. It means current tag value is right now is 0, so this will increase the 0 plus 1, it means 0. So this will set one value to initialize global tag value to 1, okay. Fine, so let's see how it's work. Now I'm going to refresh this and you will see here there is nothing right now. That one is a static value hello, okay. So go to the app here and just type here tag value 0, something like that, okay, and just click on send data. Go to the Firebase and you will see a 0 and tag value 0, okay. Let's suppose if I just type here tag value 10, okay, and that's the text, okay. So click on send data. It means this will store in the 1 tag, that one is 1 and tag value is 10. It means that's the value and that's the key and value. Fine. So that's very easy way to store value in the Firebase from MIT App Inventor app, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.